Ukrainian partisan resistance to Russia's occupation forces has intensified significantly in the last 10 days, August 4th to 13th. In my last update, which encompassed 28 days, July 6th to August 2nd, I noted 33 resistance incidents, of which 17 were non-violent and 16 were violent, being directed at persons or property. That comes out to 1.18 incidents per day. In marked contrast, the last 10 days have witnessed 34 resistance incidents, of which 12 were non-violent and 22 were violent, with 13 being directed at property and 9 at persons. That comes out to 3.4 incidents per day, almost a threefold increase over the last reporting period. No less important, whereas non-violent incidents represented 0.52% of the total in July 6 to August 2nd, they dropped to 0.36% in the last 10 days. Unsurprisingly, most of the partisan activity is in Kherson and Zaporizhzhia provinces. Importantly, a resistance movement appears to have also emerged in occupied Crimea. The evidence speaks for itself. The Ukrainian guerrilla struggle is intensifying and becoming decidedly more violent. August 4th, Bilovodsk, Luhansk province, partisans shoot at a car carrying collaborators, Vitaly Kovalenko, Bilovodsk district head, and his deputy, Valentina Lidkova. Both are wounded. August 4th, Melitopol, Zaporizhzhia province, anti-Russian leaflets distributed in mailboxes. August 4th, Kherson, collaborationist Kherson province governor, Volodymyr Saldo, the target of a failed assassination attempt on July 11th, falls into coma and is hospitalized in Moscow. Doctors suspect Saldo was poisoned. August 5th, Melitopol, Zaporizhzhia province, pro-Ukrainian slogans appear in the city center. August 5th, Vovchansk, occupied Kharkiv province, pro-Ukrainian leaflets appear in the city. August 6th, Novokakhovka, Kherson province, collaborationist deputy head of local administration, Vitaly Hura, shot and killed. August 6th, Tokmak, Zaporizhzhia province, partisans blow up rail line. August 6th, Kherson, Yellow Ribbon Resistance Movement distributes first issue of Underground Gazette, Voice of the Partisan. August 6th, Berdyansk, Zaporizhzhia province, the Berdyansk partisan army stages explosion near the city police department. August 8th, Berdyansk, explosion near the home of collaborationist deputy mayor, apparently, the work of the Berdyansk partisan army. August 8th, Kherson, leaflets appear in the city threatening the poisoned Volodymyr Saldo's successor as collaborationist Kherson province governor, Kyrylo Strymousov, with the same fate. August 8th, Borislav, Kherson province, graffiti appears announcing that the Ukrainian armed forces are already here and that Putin is a prick. August 9th, Simferopol and Alushta, occupied Crimea, partisans declare a $230,000 bounty on Sergei Aksyonov, head of the self-styled republic. August 9th, Melitopol, Zaporizhzhia province, partisans paste leaflets asking for information about the location of voting stations for Russia's planned referendum. August 9th, Melitopol, partisans set off explosion near United Russia headquarters in the city center. August 9th, Kherson, partisans distribute leaflets dissuading people from accepting Russian passports and taking part in the referendum. August 9th, Saki Air Base, occupied Crimea, multiple explosions with possible involvement of local partisans. August 10th, Mariupol, Donetsk province, explosion in city center, possibly the work of local partisans. August 10th, Melitopol, Zaporizhzhia province, partisans kill 2 collaborators involved in preparing the referendum. August 11th, Kherson, pro-Ukrainian leaflets appear in the city. August 11th, Kherson province, pylon supporting power line leading from Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant to occupied Crimea collapses, possibly due to partisan activity. August 11th, Starobilsk, Luhansk province, partisans explode car driven by a collaborator who heads the Interdistrict Registration and Examination Department. August 11th, Lysychansk, Luhansk province, leaflets appear threatening collaborators, in particular, one Andrei Skory, with death. August 12th, Melitopol, Zaporizhzhia province, explosion in yard off Hohol Street. Target was Oleh Shostak, collaborationist head of the propaganda division of local United Russia Electoral Command. Shostak was hospitalized. August 12th, Kherson, leaflets warning that the Russian passport kills appear in the city. August 13th, Melitopol, Zaporizhzhia province, partisans set off explosions in the northeastern part of the city. Target, military building occupied by Russian troops. August 13th, Kherson province, multiple explosions in Chkalov, Novotroyetsk, Chaplinka, Nizhny Siroozy, Velika Blavishchanka, and Novokakhovka. August 13th, Mariupol, Donetsk province, powerful explosion in city. There is no reason to think that the resistance will wane anytime in the near future. Quite the contrary, it is sure to grow and become even more violent, especially if the Ukrainian armed forces continue to press the Russians in the south and keep them from advancing in the east.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.